For the second straight year, a one-off Aston Martin is taking center stage at the Henley Royal Regatta. Just like the one-off DB11 from last year, the DB11 Volante Henley Royal Regatta gets the full attention of the British automaker's personalization division, Q by Aston Martin. Unlike the DB11, this version gets its own unique upgrades, beginning with a striking white stone body paint finish helps accentuate all of its body curves. And there are plenty of them. 1 year after Aston Martin rolled out the DB11 Henley Royal Regatta, the British automaker is back at it, this time with the DB11 Volante Henley Royal Regatta. The new one-off DB11 Volante is the follow-up to last year's one-off DB11, which was created to celebrate Aston Martin's role as the official auto partner of the Henley Royal Regatta, considered as one of the world's most prestigious and historic sporting events. Like the DB11 from last year, the DB11 Volante gets plenty of exclusive features, all of which come by way of Q by Aston Martin. The drop-top convertible's exclusive colors are accentuated by an interior trim that features red oxide Caithness leather. It's like a red-orange shade that's certainly not for those who prefer a little conservatism on their Astons. The color is loud, maybe even too loud for some. But it works well with the white stone body, giving the DB11 a striking 1-2 color combo that is fitting for an event like the Henley Royal Regatta. The cabin also receives technical carbon fiber trim with stainless steel cross-tour motifs. Hand-painted pale blue accents are also on the menu, including parts as a way to pay tribute to the rowing club markings that are typically found on the blades of rowers' oars. If the exterior and interior colors aren't enough, the one-off DB11 Volante also gets a black convertible hood, smoke taillights, hood meshes, dark exhaust finishers, and a good amount of exterior carbon fiber detailing. A new set of forged gloss black diamond-turned wheels, and dark anodized brake calipers finish off the exclusive features on the one-off DB11 Volante. There's definitely a lot going on as far as the look of the DB11 Volante Henley Royal Regatta goes. Even if this one-off isn't your cup of tea, you have to admit that there's a uniqueness to it that justifies its one-off status. And, if that's still not enough to convince you, maybe the drop-top's AMG-sourced, 4.0-liter, V8 engine can do the job. This bad boy is good for 503 horsepower and 513 pound-feet of torque. Enough to propel the convertible from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds before leaving you in the dust to the tune of a 200 mile/hour top speed. Personally, I like last year's DB11 Henley Royal Regatta one-off more than I do this one. But this creation is still a piece in its own right. There's only one model of its kind in the world, and I don't think anybody's going to regret spending £199,995, around $265,000, for it. Thanks for watching.